As a water treatment specialist, you must be able to replace the ruptured disc and waste outlet rupture disc RD401 assembly tactical water purification system, or TWPS, if needed. This video is designed to demonstrate the proper procedure for the waste out rupture disc RD401 replacement. To replace the ruptured disc and waste out rupture disc RD401 assembly on the TWPS as follows. The first thing is to remove the rupture disc from the rupture disc assembly RD401 by noting the position of the vent pipe for the position it needs to be in when reinstalled. While holding the vent pipe, unthread the nut from the inlet connection and carefully lift the vent pipe and nut off the inlet connection. The outlet connection will come out with the vent pipe and nut. Then lift the rupture disc off of the inlet connection. To install the new rupture disc, perform the following. Start by inserting a new rupture disc in the inlet connection with the dome side of the disc facing up. Then position the outlet connection, nut, and vent pipe onto the rupture disc. Now, thread the nut onto the inlet connection. Position the vent pipe as it was before it was removed and tighten the nut. Throughout this video, you have seen the steps to replace the waste outlet rupture disc RD401 in the TWPS. Congratulations, Water Dog. Soon you'll be out in the field working with the TWPS system. Good luck.